Did you see how quickly plastic RV vent covers wear out? Weather damages them, costing you time and energy. Check out our RV vent lid, compatible with vent line and Elixir. Here's everything included with Safoner RV vent lid. At first, align the 4 holes on the lid and hinge, then tighten the screws. All components of this vent lid are made of metal. The lid, hinge, and crossbar are crafted from aluminum, known for its durability and corrosion resistance. This material stands strong against the wind, rain, and UV rays. The screws, requiring extra strength, are made from stainless steel. Next, we'll install the crossbar. Make sure the side with the round hole faces the hinge we just installed. Repeat the process by aligning the holes carefully, making sure each one lines up, then tighten them to secure everything in place. Now, let's move inside the RV and use a drill to remove the crank handle. Carefully take it off and keep the screws safe. We'll need them for reinstallation later. Next, we'll loosen the screws around the vent frame. Take your time here. Gravity will cause things to drop, so go slowly to avoid losing any screws. Now, let's unscrew the operator. There are 2 screws here. This part connects to the crossbar, controlling the vent lid's opening and closing. Once the screws are removed, you can gently take out the operator along with the support rod. Heading to the RV roof, we'll start by removing the old vent lid. Use a long-nose plier to bend those tabs outward on each side. Now, you can slide the old lid off along its track. It's time to slide the new lid into place along the same track. Don't forget to bend the tabs back in using your pliers to secure the new lid. Now, back inside the RV, we'll reinstall the operator using the screws we saved earlier. Let's put the screen back in place by aligning the screw holes around the frame. Lastly, secure the handle screws and you're all set. I've dropped the link for this durable aluminum vent lid in the comments. Go grab yours now.